Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to make a peanut butter jelly sandwich. First, you take the bread, open it up like this. You untwist it, and you take the bread out. Once you're done with the bread, you close it like this. Twist it back up. Take the lock and you put it around and you go like this. And then you take these two pieces of bread and then you open up the can of peanut butter and you take a big giant scoop and then you rub it on here like this. And then you take one more big giant scoop of the peanut butter and rub it on the other one. And if you need more, take one more big giant scoop. Peanut butter on me!
Okay.
I was like, peanut butter on me! And that did kind of hurt. Oh no, the bread is now getting... And now you put the lid back on like this. Now that's not one of my ingredients. Then you take this bottle. How do you open this?
Flip it up. You need help?
Now my assistant is going to help me.
Oh, it was stuck.
Oh, yeah. Now we pour this on. Okay.
That's enough. Okay.
We take one piece And there you go. You have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Bye.